Good morning. So our topic this morning is all about who is Christ. Why Michael, based on the Holy Spirit's past the standards of the crucifixion of the cross, and they called him Christ Luci, Christ. So, and then, what is Christ for anyway? And then why we need Christ in our life? So, and then we already knew, meaning, this is 2021, so we already knew that there was already a Christ. It was Jesus, the one that is in the Holy Bible, written in the Holy Bible. He has a genealogy, and then for me, I am really more specific for him as I called him Jesus Christ, not as Jesus, because when you read the script, it said Jesus, then Christ means that certain person is Jesus, then he or he become Christ when I don't know what is the secret for that. Okay, so but we already know that even Jesus Christ, that is even right now, even in the current time, still hanging in the cross in of all Roman Catholic churches, he has no face, he has no image, he has no real human body, no bones, and even in the real conduction, meaning, I already also, although in the story, after the third day, he was gone in his tomb, after he was crucified, after he was judged, after he was killed, the body on the third day disappeared. That's why the locomotions now, the historians told us, meaning revisionists told us that he was reincarnated back because he was gone, meaning magically he whatever their discovery was that he get up like a magical human being. So pretty cool, right? So for me, that's why when I was younger, it's like it was a really nice story. Nowadays, I already emailed the Israel, because based on the Holy Bible, Jesus Christ was born uh, in Israel. So that's why when you study the culture and then the geographical meaning, geographical locations of Israel, it is a type of it has a type of government which is run by Muslims or Islam. So it's kind of cliche that the crucifixion happened in by the Roman Empire. So the Roman Empire get involved in Israel during those times, and they kill a Muslim man. So it's really amazing. Plus, the whole story of Jesus, it seems like he was born, it's refugee, meaning to say traveling. So we all know that on the ancient times, human being seems moving anywhere. The refugee is paglalakbay is always the situations of the ancient peoples. And for me, I give respect to that, since it's kind of balancing the nations. That's why, meaning, I'm curious what would be the, am I a real Filipino blood, or am I, my parents are they a real Filipino, just Filipino? There is no mix from Spaniards, Americans, or Chinese or Taiwanese. So something like that. So now the story of Jesus was very, and then there's another thing with Jesus Christ as well. The story of Jesus Christ was very coherent, and the flows of conversations and languages are all perfected, more than a script of the movie. Because if you have a personal, meaning, feelings and emotions about a certain story, you cannot write coherent like that. There are always a feeling of regrets, or feeling bad, or we are hungry, this and that, because we are refugee, my parents are so poor, something like that. When he was also preaching with the people, how come that manang he was preaching here when he was 12 years old, he was preaching a group of men, geniuses men inside the church or a temple, and then his mother was looking around. So it's kind of someone is looking at them, like if you are a writer, that's why it's so cliche and scripted. Because if you are the 9-year old boy that is trying to write down your, I'm here talking with all the people because I'm a son of God, meaning, guys, meaning, so very cliche. That's why it's so odd. That's why it seems like if you're a writer of a story, as we all know, it seems like you're writing this down, like you're watching the whole story, if there is no mistakes or not, or there is erroneous flow of the story. That's basically. So I give respect either he is the smartest or the most powerful writer of those times. I truly give respect to you, Matthew. Matthew is just revisionist. Anyway, so next is uh So I said the story of Jesus Christ was more than a script of the movie, than a personal experience on the road or the journey to become Christ and to be the Son of God. Plus, the father and the mother profile and the personal existence, no marks, no bones, no leftover of bones, or valuing of their son as being the claimants of Christ. So as we all know, there's no because of God, meaning in the ancient times, because of God, meaning they are willing to offer their not really offer it was okay to be killed during those times. So imagine na if I compare Israel to the Philippines, how come my Filipino ancestors and ancestry fought against the Spaniards for 333 years? That's why our national hero, Dr. Sirsal, was killed and shot in Bagumbayan because he was also himself fighting against the Roman Catholic. Knowing nga if you very that's why also I'm so like skeptics also of the story of Dr. Sersal, because it seems like he was part of the era of the ancient Spaniard times. It seems like he was so late. He was just referring to for his stories. So something like that. So anyway, it was just my understanding. So I give him respect. Although well, for once in my life, I encountered his reincarnation, but he was saved. He wasn't saved. He wasn't allowed even to enter the internal fire. That's why he was kind of nagmaldisyon, because he told me, Dr. Sirisal told me that, Luchi, I'm so happy that you are awake, that you are the one that is more of his conversation is he was happy. Dr. Jose Rizal was happy that I was the one having the spiritual depression, and he said, I've been looking and following around for any women. That's what I'm doing, Luchi, in the Philippines, something like that. It seems like he was in prank, or kind of as a spirit, anyone that is crazy in the Philippines or having spiritual depression, or in my case it's more on o senyara dong. He was more it was more on it was a gift or a punishment. It was a gift of punishment. Really tested me, who am I, how strong my body is, how strong my spirits is. That's what my real experience. Now then the siblings, all the praise, and then the siblings of Jesus Christ, all priests and revisionists and historians. Jesus Christ himself was nailed and judged intentionally by the people, because if you read the whole script, not because of not paying taxes to the government, and he was fighting against King Caesar. So cliche, right? Then but we are looking in here Christ, right? So unreal human being, as alive or dead, might be dead, who are both describing. For me, I want to leave the past and I want to study, because as we study the script of Jesus Christ, he was referring human being in the newest time, always in the current. That's why if when I was told that, meaning I have to switch the Holy Bible, or I think like the way that the style of North Korea, that they really banned their people to read the Holy Bible. So I think I concluded now, it was a long wars to stop their citizens to read Holy Bible. Even I think most of the communist country, they are doing that as a government. So I think they don't like to join the team, or their citizens to really have a guide in their life in order to discover themselves. So I don't know what's the real situations of North Korea and China, but they are communist. Meaning to say, for me, even myself, I really wanted to, let's hide the New Testament and keep it, because anyway it was over. Meaning to say, meaning I'm the best and the legit claimants. But I think the situation is that people nowadays wanted to be the claimants of Jesus as flying like Darna, Superman. When I speak words, it's always money come out. It's always money come out. And we say, Mom, I have a schizophrenia. I will heal you. Mom, I have a crippled. I will give you magic that from crippled going to you can walk again. Mom, I am blind, so I give you. I will make you see because you are blind. So that's the different on my claimants. And for me, I'm a special education teacher, so it's kind of, and then it is I was young, excuse me. So where is the hell now? It's sure it's the result. For me, diseases and sickness is the result of your personal actions, and the results of your health uh, cares of yourself. So how you take good care of yourself every day, from the time you get up until the time you go to bed, that's your decisions. It's no one is involved with that, like, oh many God whatsoever, God whatsoever. No, we must be learning to that. But it's so hard to teach people. So that's why I'm just claimants for Christ and for that incarnation, and I'm just wanted to those who listen, it's good, cause I wanted just rewards for their incarnation, for making, for really fulfilling the prophecy of a human being, as based on a story of Jesus, that is he was referring to, describing to, prophesied to, waiting to, reincarnated from, I don't know myself. No, maybe I don't know. Reincarnated from myself, or am I incarnated from, since I think the main historian writer of the Holy Bible and for the story of even human beings. Unya ra dong. Sapa dong?
May tao.
Kinsa man na?
Si...
Dave, o sige sapa sa
Dili, si Kwan.
ha?
Wala ka ako rin.
Sapay sa ako sa nitiwason. So on earth, story, and for the story of even humans beings on earth, I know they know that the life is just ikot-ikot lang or circling around, then die, then be back to earth. I think that's what they are referring to. So for me, so that's why I'm so proud that Michael came back also, reincarnated back, resurrected back, more than Jesus Christ as a story in the Holy Bible. At the same time, he was fully aware. I am very conscious and I'm fully aware. So wag na tayo magbaliw-baliwan pa. If there's baliw, if you label me as crazy, hire the best psychologist, psychiatrist, neurologist in your country, then come to the Philippines. I am here. Or access the way I posted my Facebook, or my Facebook, or my YouTube channel, Vatican City. I'm more targeting on Vatican City, because the other religions, they are more on when they have enlightenment, like if they had they achieved the enlightenment, or the peakest point of their intellectual upbringing, or intellectual discoveries in life, they will just build a church. So for me, it's a very difficult for me, because I'm a woman. Then I don't have any more resources, based also of my stand and disposition in life, that when I build a church, it must be that it's from my own money, before I circling around and budgeting the tithes and offerings from the people, in order also that it will be coming back to them, and it's also placing to God. So I don't know. So now kindly refer Luke 11:13, Matthew 23:10, Matthew 24:5, Matthew 24:23, and Matthew 24:24, because these verses is so against anyone who are claimants with Christ. So for me, anyone who is against me, give me my money back. Basically, I always say, give my millions back, because I invested. Even if you want to be magical, call your God your best God. Then I have all the bones of Michael. You can all put it together, and then you all can call, pray over, and I make it together as be back to human being again. So if you knew, if you all wanted to be like that, but it's more on, there must be a rituals, or seeking assistance from the Holy Spirit, if it's okay to do that, to touch his bones. So basically, so now because meaning, and then uh for me myself as well, I strategize. I'm not lying. Why would I lie? If I lie, why there's COVID-19? So so why should I lie, and why should I claim something that it's not me? Okay. So and then the ending here is Ecclesiastes 8:15. Since you all know the truth that life is circling around, and be lucky that you are coming back and then reincarnated back. So meaning to say you are saved, meaning your life was perfect when you are alive. Okay, so that's the end of my content, and good morning.